That's the local area. See that? It's full. The concrete road can't be seen. It's now all ashes right there. Yeah, see that? Really full of, the roads are really full of ashes right there. See? That's our local area. See? Okay, let's check the other town once we get there. So when you go out, you really need to wear a mask. That's the local hospital. Yeah, right. Let's. Yeah, it's really smoky right there. See that? Yeah. Just look at that. See? This is the nearby area. This is my first time really to experience this kind of situation for 38 years of my life. Okay, let's go expressway. Let's check the expressway, right? Right. So we're going out expressway now. Let's check the South Luzon Expressway or the SLEX area. Let's check it out. Hazard. Make sure you aren't on a hazard, right? When you go out. Yeah. Some of the policemen are really alert right there. Okay. That's it. So I'm on a hazard right now. There we go. So I'm going expressway now. Let's see. Good thing it's sunny right now, but I don't know in Tagaytay area. We are just 30 minutes away from Tagaytay, so probably in the afternoon I'll go ahead and check it out if we can pass by. So this is expressway now. I'm going exit on the toll gate now. Really full of ashes right there. I think I can open my window. I don't have a choice. I really need to open my window. Thank you. Oh God. So it's really smoky. See that? It's really smoky. Oh my God. So when you go expressway, you need to be on a hazard right there. Make sure you're in a hazard. It's because even though it's sunny out there, it's kind of smoky, right? On a cell phone, on your mobile phone, it looks like it's not really that smoky, but in reality, if you're gonna look at it, it's really smoky. So for safety purposes, you need to go on hazard, right? Just to make sure. See right there. So I'm heading towards my relatives. I need to check them if they are okay, right? Okay. So let's go and stop by real quick. I need to check this area. Oh, see that? The gas station is full of ashes right there. It's all over anywhere. So I just need to buy some bottles of waters just to make sure that I can pour it later on my windshield later on. Some of my friends told me do not use your wiper, all right? I forgot my face mask. I forgot it at home, so Let's just park here real quick. But I got my cap here. Alright, so let's park on this area. I think I need to wear my shade right there. Just to make sure. I don't know if the store is open. It's really smoky going Batangas. That's the north. That's the south going Batangas area. And Taal Volcano is located in near Talisay, Batangas. So it's really smoky going there. So I just need to exit on this side, right? So I entered the town of Cabuyao in Laguna now. So see there, that's the expressway going to Batangas. Right. It's still smoky here. It's because of the ashes. Roads are full of ashes. Right. That side is going Manila area. Okay. I am 1.5 away from my destination. Alright, so we're here. We're entering the going to our place. See that? So the area, it's still full of ashes right there. See that? There you go. See, some of the guys are cleaning up their cars. So the coverage of the explosion is really wide. This is around 10 minutes away from my point of origin earlier, where I've been. There. So here now, our neighborhood is cleaning the roof right there. Okay, I'll be back later on, guys. I just need to check my family right here. Silang area. This is Silang. pass by on a bypass road going to Tagaytay proper. So that's the situation there. Minutes going to town proper. Locals are wearing masks. There you go. Nagdagdagan ko na lang yung beach ko na yan. Okay, here we go. This is Tagaytay proper. Okay, that's the balay dako. See, so this is Tagaytay proper. It's smoky. Proper. Okay. So that's Primark. So far yung daan, it's clearer na, diba? No? Medyo yung dust nawawala na. There. That's the Wayne's Residencies by SM. There you go. Okay. That's the Summit Bridge. Grill. It's close. So let's go check this one. This is the Summit Ridge Hotel. Yeah. Oh, it's close. Yeah, there we go. Summit Ridge. That's Starbucks today. At the back of it, there's Robinson. Okay. It's close. Okay. It's close. Uh-oh. That's Robinson. Robinson's Mall. So it's close. So let's go and check the Twin Lakes. So far, as of now, pwede na po siyang daanan. Tagaytay. This is going to Sky Ranch. That's the Sky Ranch there. There you go. There's Escala, going to Escala. That is so at least malinis na yung daan. as of this moment. So that's Sky Ranch. Yeah, there. So it's close. And there. Let's go ahead and check the Twin Lakes. So we are approaching Mendez now. Mendez is part of Tagaytay as well. Okay, so far the road is clear. Okay, passable na po siya. But some of the establishments are closed. This is Mendez crossing there. And that's SM Save More. Yeah, so far it's open. So it's open there. So passable na po siya. Pwede nang daanan. We're almost near. Road is clear. This is the highest part ng Tagaytay. Or say, not that highest naman. Highest part lang ng Tagaytay. But the Palace in the Sky is the highest part. So that's one of the resto. Near. Medyo foggy lang dito. It's because of the clouds. This is as of 5:30. 5:30 in the afternoon. There. So that's Twin Lake Tagaytay Tram Station. Let's see if we can park on this area. Yun lang, hindi tayo makapark. It's close. It's close. So it's close. There is ABS, CBN as well. Let's see if I'm makapasok to. Close. We can't pass by. Hindi tayo makapasok sa Twin Lakes. Alright, so this is Twin Lakes Tagaytay. So far, it's clear. There you go. We can see Taal Volcano. It's because it's hiding behind those clouds. As of this moment, as of this time, it's 5:30 in the afternoon here at Tagaytay. So, there's just a lot of fire trucks coming in, plus rescues. There you go. There's a lot. I think that's going to Batangas area, to Lemery, Talisay. They're gonna go down. Right, you can see there. We can't see the Taal is because yun, it's hiding behind those clouds. Situation here so far is the road is clear. It's passable if you would like to go to Batangas to visit your relatives and stuff. It's possible. Alright, here you go. So it's 6 p.m. Tagaytay, Manila time. So it's 6:05. Right now we're heading back to Ayala Mall, Syrian Ayala Mall. We are approaching. So all the establishment has no electricity. There you go. We're looking for a perfect spot where we can view the Taal Volcano as of this hour. Let's see if we can find a perfect spot. So we are approaching the roundabout there. That's the roundabout on your left. That's going to back to Silang. If we're gonna go straight forward, that's going to Sky Ranch. No, it's going to Picnic Grove and People's Park. There. So it's still no electricity here. Let's see if we can pass by here. There you go. It's still dark here. No electricity. That's Cityland. Cityland, mostly of the condominiums, there's no lights. So I don't know if there are some tenants or what. But there's some establishment that has electricity. I think they're using generators.